welcome back to the pink envelope. I have Just Deco Summer 2022. Full spoiler for you guys. So if you've been hanging out here, you know I've been kind of peeking at boxes, looking at sneak peeks on Instagram, basically kind of just not seeking out the box items, but if they crossed my path, I was enjoying them. I've seen nothing for Just Deco. Nothing, not a photo, nothing. So this is really exciting. This is normally how I do unboxings, and I think I can totally see myself going back to this. It's so much more exciting for me. I don't know if you guys can see or feel a difference, but when I don't know what's in there, I'm like super excited to dive in. It feels different. If you're new around here, Just Deco is a quarterly home decor subscription box. They send stylish home decor that doesn't really follow any one particular style or genre. So they're not farmhouse, they're not modern. They just send stylish home decor that plays well with other home decor. It is $69.99 a quarter and shipping is $9.99 in the US. If you use code PINKENVELOPE, you get 15% off your first box. And this box starts shipping June 1st and has about $150 in retail value. Every box has 4 to 5 home decor pieces inside. They do have an online shop. Anybody can shop. They have holiday theme boxes. They have these member exclusive deals or pop-up deals that you get once you're a subscriber. And then they have a Facebook group you can hang out on as well, which is really cool. Let's open this box because I'm freaking excited to see what is in here. I have to say, they were not able to print off the card that goes in here because, you know, they shipped my box to me early. So the content card was still in print. And they emailed me a copy of it, and I did not cheat and look. I am so very proud of myself. Okay. This is what I see on top. We're experiencing it together for the first time. Let's slide it down here because it makes it easier. Oh, hold on. You pull one thing, the other things are moving. Let's start here. Oh, I want to grab that item so bad. But what is this? A small dough bowl in dark charcoal. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is definitely a darker, more charcoal. Is it wood? It kind of feels like wood. But why does it kind of feel like the outside of a coconut shell as well? Ooh, it doesn't say what it's made from. It's wood. It's got to be. It is a great dark or charcoal gray. Let me see how long it is. Perfect for like when you walk in the door and you throw like your AirPods and your keys and all your like pocket things in there. Absolutely. Okay, this guy is a little over 9 inches long, 5 inches wide, and about 2 inches tall. So like here's my cell phone compared to it. That'll give you an idea. There's my cell phone. You could actually even set a cell phone in there. So there you go. Freaking loving that. I feel like we've seen a lot of that in the natural wood. So I'm excited to see a darker tone wood pop up. Okay, now I think I can pull this item. Look at this. Is it macrame? Please let it be macrame. You guys can't see, but look. I have a giant, almost floor-to-ceiling macrame on this wall right here. I love it aesthetically. My husband loves it because it dampens sound. Okay. Stop. What is it? On the board? Hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Should I pull it off this board? I feel like I should pull it off the board so we can see it. Okay, hold on. Literally just going to trim it off of this piece. Oh, it slid out. The sides just slide out. Excellent. So it literally hangs down just like this. And it is a brown, just like crayon brown macrame. You guys, we are wanting to redo, we've been redoing, working on, I feel like I've been saying this for forever, my oldest daughter's bedroom. And what's taking so long is we're doing like this fully custom built-in thing. That's neither here nor there. But we're doing a very like either woodsy or jungle feel to it, but a very sophisticated look for a young lady. This is going to be so fabulous in there. Now, What is this? It's like a comb. I don't want to look at the contents, so I'm going to wait and we'll look at it at the very end. But for you people who are like legit macrame people, what does this comb do? Very intrigued because it was in the package with this guy. Let's see. Did you guys get a really good look at this piece right here? It looks like a feather. And then the back of it is just, I mean, basic macrame. Love this. Love it. I'm going to hide that so my daughter doesn't see it, so it's a surprise. Well, this is pretty. It's a candle. It's a candle! So it's very chic. Look, no label. Very clean line. No label on top either. Like, love that. I mean, I don't mind a candle label, but when I'm in like full design mode, a candle that is just aesthetically pleasing is where it's at. But Atabay Candle Co. I hope I'm saying that right. This is the brand of the candle. And it smells so good. Okay, we're going to have to peek. I can't go through the whole box because I wonder if she'll tell us what scent this is. Hold on. The candle, the smell of summer is here. And this is a cute rose gold tin with a hand-poured soy wax candle. So the scent is summer. I wish I didn't suck at telling y'all, but it smells like a really nice sunscreen, but not like sunscreen, maybe like coconut. It's fabulous. It's fabulous. Single wick, retail value $24.99, and I'm gonna be able to
Here's
jump.
what I found.
No, stop. And then right beside that makes this easy, is the macrame. This woven tan beauty is the perfect accent that adds a light boho touch to your home. Hand woven by a skilled artisan, this macrame makes decorating and layering any space in your home easy. Retail value $29.99. What does this do? I'm so confused. What is the comb for? It didn't mention. What? Okay, macrame peoples. Is it a hanging? No? Doesn't look like it's for hanging. Okay, tell me. Tell me all the things. I mean, is it for your hair? Are you supposed to, surely you're not supposed to brush this. It would mess that up. It's beautiful. It's made of wood. It's so loving, loving, loving this. I'm going to call it a little more brown than tan. It's a deeper brown than what I would normally associate tan with. Okay. Yay. Look, put this here and that there. So cute. Stone Diamond recycled yarn rug. 2 foot by 3 foot. Recycled yarn? Super intrigued. Gosh, that smells so good. You don't even need to light that. You can just take the lid off and let it sit. That smells so stinking good. A hand-loomed indoor rug. Stone Diamond is the color. It's made of recycled yarn. It's 2 foot by 3 foot. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's not super heavy, but it's on the thicker side, which I personally love because my kids get on there and they plant 1 foot and then they wipe the other and it stretches on the rug. And if it's a really thin rug, within no time at all, we have like weird bubbles and weird gaps. This guy is very nicely made. I'm also digging this color palette. I've been doing yellows in my home and this has a gold underlying tone to it, but it also is going to play really, really well with gray. Can you guys see that? Another thing I want to point out is it's beautiful on this front side and it's beautiful on the back side. Why is this important? If you are like me and you have kids running in and out, but you have guests over and you notice the rug is getting really dirty, you can take it out, shake it, flip it until your guests leave and you have time to wash it. It actually is great when a rug is easily able to flip over and still look chic. Oh my gosh, I love it, I love it. Because it is recycled, it says recycled fabrics of undetermined fiber content. So you can't like line item the materials that are in here because it's a combination of recycled yarns. I love that. It's a rug with a story. Shake briskly and spot clean. So, gorgeous rug. I think that the colors go great together. So this is very much a coordinating without matching color palette. See here? And then the last item is like wedged in here quite perfectly is a basket. Now, what am I seeing here on this basket? Hold on. Because I think, yes, look. So you totally could have left it like I just had it. I'm digging this so much more. You could roll 3 or 4 blankets and place them in here, but it's two-tone in nature. It's woven. Let's see what they said on here. It has braided handles. Love it. Great color tones with the rug. The belly basket made from woven seagrass and hand painted with a white accent. This belly basket is great for holding extra throws and pillows around the home. You can also go green and use it as a planter for your favorite indoor plant. And then the woven rug. Dress up your front door this summer with the diamond accent pattern rug. This 2-foot by 3-foot rug adds warmth to... There is a fly buzzing above my head while I'm trying to read this, and it's not working. Okay. He's gone. This rug adds warmth to any room it is placed in and gives a touch of home that every house needs. And then on here, you're not going to be able to see it as well, but I'm going to hold this up. Here is the color key card and the colors to coordinate and decorate with based on the items that are in this box. So here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this box. Cannot wait to hear what you guys say this guy does. Maybe Just Deco can clue us in, and I feel like we're all going to learn something out of this. Okay, so I got off the video. I started reading, and I typed in macrame comb, and it says, use your comb to stiffen your macrame feather. Like, just straight tells it. So then I looked at it, and I was like, okay, I have a feather. And I noticed that this backing was on there, and I assumed this backing was on there because it needed to stay, but now I'm wondering, do I peel the backing off and then brush the comb out? I mean, use the comb to brush the feather? When I pull on this backing, it comes off very easily. So part of me feels like it's the backing supposed to come off, and then I brush the, or do I leave it on and brush? I'm a new macrame mom. This is my second one. My other one has nothing cool like this macrame does. So you experts tell me, do I peel this backing off or does this backing stay? And is this for brushing out this, like this? Because look, I'm going to just brush one side. Look how good it looks when you just brush one side. It gets it all like perfect and stuff. You'll have to tell me because I'm a bit confused, and it's definitely for feathers. YouTube said so, and we believe everything we see on YouTube. Okay, if you are looking for a home decor subscription box that is a little unique in style, I think this is the very first macrame we have ever gotten in a box. I'm almost positive. Definitely my first belly basket. They definitely over Just Deco are looking to do things a little bit different. The design team over there is definitely looking for additions and unique items to add in. And if not a unique item, a uniquely made item, which is why we all love Just Deco. Okay, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I am very excited about all the home decor boxes we're opening right now. If you have not joined our exclusive Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group, please do. It's a wonderful group of people that we hop on and we talk about the good, the bad, the ugly, the wonderful. We talk about it all. What boxes are we loving? Maybe what boxes are missing the mark, and what boxes do we want to look into in the future? It is a team effort over there, and it's made up of truly the best people ever. So come join us. Link is down in the description if you're interested. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day, and if you subscribed, I'm going to see you later. Bye, y'all.